How to use same song for multiple Instagram stories. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now tap on the plus icon for your story. Now select the photos. Now tap on next. Now select separate. Now for the first photo, select the music icon. Now select the music.
They know it's about to be.
Now remember the timestamp. Now tap on done. Now select other photo. Again tap on music icon. Now select the same song. Now add 15 seconds to the previous timestamp. Now tap on done. Now tap on next. Now tap on share. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.